Hi everyone, this is Sergi from Sirius LLC Russia, showing this is a FS40 filter for 40 metric tons per hour, 40,000 liters, 40 M3. It's a 2-inch connection, entry and exit, with a manual drain valve, which can be an automatic drain valve. So usually before RO systems, they have a lot of sand filter, carbon filter, multimedia filter, a bunch of useless filters that don't actually work and that you have to change constantly, that are huge, that you have to maintain a lot, and they rust. So I wanted to show you guys, this is a stainless steel filter. It's a self-cleaning filter at 1 micron. Inside is a stainless steel micro wire. It is a self-flushing filter. What happens is the water doesn't go inside of the filter like these kind of garbage cartridges that are useless, that you have to change all the time, whatever they may be. See, this is a silver stainless steel nit. The water goes around it, so it works the opposite from regular filters, goes around the cartridge. Anything that's less than 1 micron passes into the nit to come out. Everything that is impurities, even dissolved metals or other byproducts, it will be flushed down the drain valve, something like this. And the drain valve can be manual, or additionally we can supply an automatic self-flushing unit, which has 16 different different times when it will flush itself. So this way, before your RO systems, this will be the best protection there is, that will last the longest, and that is easy to maintain. It's fully stainless steel. It's self-flushing. It doesn't really need much maintenance. It's very compact, and also it has a magnetic water structure inside of the cartridge. This is very good to have, because it will restructure the water molecules to make them very small clusters. So the RO systems, it will be easier for them to handle this kind of water, which saves a lot of electricity expenses in the RO systems. And also, if you use a magnetic structured water pipe like we have after an RO system, what basically happens is RO systems make acidic water. And after you use like a magnetic water structured pipe that we have, you can see them on our website or on our other videos, it will basically make the pH balanced between 7 and 8. So you don't have to use any kind of, added minerals, all these fake powders that are coming from God knows where. So this is like a very simple, logic, and complete solution for all these problems. If you have any other questions, of course you should have, please contact us. We'll be happy to help any day, by phone, email, WhatsApp. These filters come from 1 M3 per hour up to 500 M3 per hour, all different sizes of connections, different sizes of capacities. Everything can be tailored. It can be tailored from 0.5 micron to 1 micron, 10 micron, 15, 20. Depends on the criteria, the situation. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.